we're back to this little space over here underneath the counter. And again, there are lots of different options of things that I could put in there. I ended up deciding to put a trash can there. At first I wanted to put some kind of rolling shelving unit that came out. But when I didn't find one that fit, I decided that the second best use of that space would be a trash can. Because it is so narrow and deep, you can't really add, I didn't think it would be a good use of space to add shelving back there because things would get lost in the back. The trash can seemed like a logical place for a trash can. So I found this trash can, which happened to be the perfect width, which again I measured, and it just fits right back there. So I can, I have easy access to it when I'm over here at the sink, and it is a trash can where you can step and it opens. So you can step on a pedal and it opens, which is also good for this space, so that I don't have to be pulling up a lid